Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install a Bluetooth module in your Pontiac G8 GT. So right here, this is the Bluetooth module that we will be installing in this 2009 Pontiac G8 GT. So the first step you want to do is you want to take off this side panel right here. It's just held in by clips. And it'll be about right here. You just pop it up, pull it out. There's also this piece which goes along the side right here. So once you do that, up in here is where we're going to plug in this little cord right here. And we're going to plug it in right there into that open port. And then this is the ground, and we're going to put that right there. And then this is the power, this little power plug. You're going to want to pull this out, which is going to be the most difficult thing of this install. And I'm going to stop the video, take this out, and then I'll continue. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got the connector off. The way to get this off is it's held on by that white piece back there. And you're going to want to slide it this way. I used a flathead. You're going to slide it this way towards the back of the car. And in the process of doing that, you may want to try to wiggle it like this. That'll make it a little bit easier. Now this little white piece back here is going to kind of rotate around. So this is the most difficult part of doing this install. So I'm going to stop the video, plug in the red cord there, and then get back with you. Okay guys, so in this next part, after getting the pin in right here, you want to put in this ground cable, and you're going to want to get a 10mm, just a small wrench, and you're going to loosen up this bolt right here where you see the other ground wire. You don't have to completely undo this, just loosen it enough to where you can then slide this into there like that, and then you're just going to tighten that bolt back up. Alright guys, so here's the finished product installed. So we have the red pin installed on pin B. Up here we have the white cable plugged into the empty port, and then back here we have the ground wire installed. So now with this Bluetooth module installed, you can just tuck it back up in here, put this side panel back on. Okay guys, so for the final part of this video, after you have this installed, you want to go over to your menu, scroll down, and you want to make sure the rear aux is turned on. Now once you do that, you want to connect to Bluetooth. It'll just be like a bunch of like random numbers or letters or something. So once you see that in your Bluetooth settings, you want to connect to that, and then you're good to go. Okay guys, one last thing before I finish this video. The way that you know that this will work is when you see rear aux pop up on the screen. And then when you're connected to the rear aux, you'll see this box down here in the bottom right. So the only thing that sucks about this is that you're gonna have to turn up the volume, but the audio quality is good. And if it's not working for you, what I had to do in my case is I had to pull this red power plug out, flip it around, plug it back in, and then I had to re-secure the ground connection, the ground wire connection, and then it started working. So overall, this is a pretty easy installation. This is a nice module to get for these cars. These cars do not come with Bluetooth, hands-free music listening and whatnot, but overall I'd say I'm pretty happy with this purchase.